YouTube, what is up? Welcome back to another Basic Customs video. In today's video, we are going to be replacing the third brake light on my 2013 Polo Vivo. Now, I definitely don't want to bore you guys, so we are moving straight on to the unboxing. I'm not going to be doing too much talking in this video. We are going to be doing what I said we're going to be doing in the title. Opening up the box, we are immediately greeted with the foam gasket for the third brake light. Underneath that is the third brake light itself, enveloped in bubble wrap to keep it safe during transport. Now, I'm not gonna lie, this third brake light honestly looks amazing. It looks sleek. I love the smoked look, and I think it's gonna go very well with my white Polo Vivo. Seeing as we'll be working in the back of the car for this little project, I thought it would be cool if we use the parcel tray as like a makeshift workbench. Moving along, here are the tools and parts you will need for this project. Obviously, you're going to need your new third brake light, then you have a Phillips head screwdriver, a pry tool, and last but not least, a microfiber cloth for cleaning up. Now, first things first, we have to remove these three little plastic covers that cover the screws, and to do that we are going to be using the pry tool. Now, this is really easy. What you want to do is you want to take your plastic pry tool, shove it in the back, make a bit of a gap for your fingers to go into, and then just pull towards yourself. Now that that's been removed, we have access to the three Phillips head screws, and we can use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove those. With that done, we can now remove the old brake light. Be very careful when removing the old brake light because it is still plugged in. To remove the old light is very simple. You just need to locate the little tab on the light itself, pull that to one side, and gently unplug the wiring. Here we can see the tab I was talking about on the light itself. Before we can install the new light, we first have to prep it by installing the gasket tape that it came with. Alrighty, so I've gotten as far as getting the bottom on, but I noticed that this is a bit too big for the light. It's supposed to go all the way around on the smooth part. Basically, this is the mounting place. So I'm gonna have to cut it a bit, and for that I have to get an X-Acto knife. This is not an X-Acto knife. What do they call this? Anyways, a utility knife. I think so. I don't know. But this, a box cutter. Yes, there we go. I need to use this just to cut this. You can use scissors. You can even rip it. But I want to be a bit more surgical, more precision in what I'll be doing. So let me get to that, and we'll get back. And here's how we have it. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's all around here. I won't be using it, I guess. Okay. I'm just gonna clean up all of this dust and debris build up here, and then we'll get to installing the new one. Alrighty, that looks much better. We are ready to install the new light. Connect it first, and then we'll see from there. Okay, so connecting the new light is easy and straightforward. It might be a little resistant since it is a new light. The plug might struggle to go in all the way. That shouldn't be a concern as long as you get it to sit flush. It's really simple, it's really straightforward. There is a little notch on the new light itself, as well as like a little raised part on the plug itself from the stock wiring. With the new light now plugged in, we are just going to screw it back in. This is just the opposite of how we took out the old light. Now, as with any aftermarket part, this light isn't an exact fit, and we might need to get Sikaflex in the future just to make it sit flush. But for now, it doesn't look too bad, and I'm happy with the results. Now, if you guys enjoyed this video, please do hit the like button, and if you haven't yet, please do consider subscribing. Comment down below if you enjoyed the video and if you want to see more polo content. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.